Good morning, students. Now today we will continue with the exercise 3.3. Now we will solve the questions today. So question number 12. Open your books and see the question number 12. The question number 12 in exercise 3.3 is, that is, the question is prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 10x into sine 2x. Now in this question you have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Now student, yesterday I told you the formula, that is sine square A minus sine square B. So what is the formula of sine square A minus sine square B? Sine square A minus sine square B. And also I told you that the verification of this formula, yesterday I told you the verification of this formula. The formula is sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So term is here sine square A minus sine square B. So we will use this formula here. So take LHS. What is LHS? That is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So according to formula, what will come here? Sine of A plus B. What is A here? That is 6x. What is B here? That is 4x. So it will come 6x plus 4x into sine of 6x minus 4x. So students, after that it will come sine of 10x into sine of 2x. And this is the RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now this solution is verified. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now after that we will solve the next question, that is question number 13. Now students, in question number 13 you have to prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin x into sin 4x. You have to prove this one. Now students, sin 8x and sin 4x. So let us start the solution. We have to prove this cos square 2x minus cos square x in the form of sin 8x here. So we can change here cos in the form of sin. How you can change? You know the formula of that identity, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So that identity we will use here. So in left hand side what is given? Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So it will come 1 minus sin square 2x, because the value of cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. The identity is cos square x plus sin square x. Similarly here 1 minus sin square 6x. After that we will open the bracket, so it will come 1 minus sin square So use this formula here. What will come here? Sine of 6x plus 2x into sine of 6x minus 2x, that is equal to sine of 8x into sine of 4x, that is equal to RHS. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side in this question. So our question number 13 is completed. After question number 13 we will solve the question number 14. In question number 14, see your book. What is the question number 14? The question number 14 is, that is 14 question. Prove that sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to, what is given, that is 4 cos square x into sine 4x, 4 cos square x into sine 4x. Now let us start the solution of students. Here we will take this left hand side, and in left hand side you can see here sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. If we combine these two terms, then it will make the formula. Then we can apply the formula of sine C plus sine D. So let us start the solution. It will come sine 2x, left hand side. First of all take left hand side, that is sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. Now in next step we will combine these two terms, means write sine 2x plus sine 6x, and write this term at the last, that is 2 sine 4x. Now students, here we can apply the formula. Which formula we can apply here? That is sine, we know that sine C plus sine D. This is in the form of sine C plus sine D. What is the formula of sine C plus sine D? That is 2 sine C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D by 2. I told you that this sign that will not come alone, it will come with the loss. So loss is cos here. So after that apply this formula. What will come here? Sine 2x plus sine 6x, that is 2 sine C plus D. What is C? 2x. D is 6x upon 2 into cos C minus D. What is C? 2x minus 6x upon 2 and plus 2 sine 4x as it is. After that it will come, after this step it will come 2 sine, yes, 6x plus 2x, that is 8x upon 2, it will come here 4x. And after that minus cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x upon 2, that is minus 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now students, after this step, you know that what is the value of this? Cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta because it is in the fourth quadrant. Cos theta. So it will come 2 sine 4x minus cos 2x, because of cos minus theta is cos theta, plus 2 sine 4x. After that we can write this step in this form, 2 sine 4x minus that term. Which term is coming here? We are using the formula sine A plus, we are using the formula plus sign here, plus cos c minus d by 2. So after that plus 2 sin 4x plus cos 2x. By mistake I have written here minus sign, here plus sign will come because we are using the formula sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d into cos c, into is here, not plus sign, into is here, into cos c minus d by 2. After that it will come from these two terms 2 sin 4x, this term 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. We will take sin 4x common. Take 2 sin 4x common. What is left here? That is cos 2x plus 1. Again I am telling you we are using the formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 cos 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin into cos c minus d by 2. So the multiplication is coming here. So write here multiply sign. After that 2 sin 4x as it is. What is the formula of cos 2x? The formula of cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, because cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. After that what will come here? 2 cos square x minus 1 and this plus 1 as it is. After that minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is coming here? 2 to the 4 into cos square x into sin 4x. And you can see here this is the right hand side. So after that left hand side is equal to, what is coming here? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence the solution of question number 14 is verified. Now after that students, we will solve the question number 15. The question number 15 is prove that, see the question, open your book and see the question 15. What is the question number 15? The question number 15 is, yes, tell me, what is the question? Prove that the question is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Check the question. Question number this 14 is 15 is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Now here, now we will solve this question. We will take the left hand side. In left hand side, what is given here? Let us start the solution. That is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. Now student, this is given and you can see here which formula we can apply here. Here we can apply the formula sin c plus sin d. So apply the formula cot 4x. What is the formula? Sin c plus sin d. I told you the formula. The formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos, into is coming here, into cos c minus d by 2. So what will come here? Apply the formula. It will come 2 sin c here in left hand side it is cot 4x. So we will change this term. We can write cot as cos 4x upon sin 4x bracket 2 sin 4x into cos x. After that, you can see here this sin 4x cancel with this sin 4x. So what is left here? Cos 4x into 2 cos x. But in students, in right hand side here cot x. So how we can change this step? After this step I am writing here. So multiply with here sin cos x upon sin. Why I am multiplying with sin? Because you have to see the right hand side. In right hand side cot x is there, so we will make this term as cot. How we can make? By multiplying with sin x and divide with sin x. Divide and multiply. And here what is left? Cos 4x. So after that it will come to take cos sin x is cot x. We can write in this way cot x and write this term here 2 sin x cos x. Now students, after this step we will apply the formula here. Now cot, we have to change this term sin 5x minus sin 3x. So we will apply. Now after this step we will use a formula that is cot x into 2 cos 4x into sin x. The formula is, we know that 2 cos A into sin B, that is cos of, that is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So apply the formula here. Cot x is as it is, so it will come sin of 4x plus x minus sin of 4x minus x. After this step it will come here cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So this is the RHS. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this question is, question number 15 is verified. Now students, continue with the question number 16. Question number 16 is cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Now students, here we can apply the formula in left hand side in numerator as well as denominator. Now let us start the solution. What is left hand side? The left hand side is cos of 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 7x minus sin 3x. Now student, here we can apply the formula cos C minus cos D. Now what is the formula of cos C minus cos D? The formula of cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin D minus C upon 2. Or if you don't want to write D minus C, then you can write minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So we will use this formula cos C minus cos D. So it will come 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Or you can write here minus, then it will come C minus D by 2. And here in denominator we will use the formula. We know, we will write here we know because we are using the formula sin 7x minus sin 3x. What is the formula of sin 7x minus 3x? That is 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D by 2. question, and already I have given to you that tips also, memory tips. By that tips you can learn it. After that, put the value here cos 9x minus cos 6x. So which formula we will apply here? This one. So it will come 2 sin c plus d, means 9x plus 5x upon 2 into sin d minus c, 5x minus 9x upon 2, whole divided by, so equal to sign will come here, whole divided by this term, that is sin c minus sin d, that is equal to 2 cos c plus d 7x plus 3x by 2 into sin c minus d 7x minus 3x by 2. After that it will come here 2 sin, now here what will come here, 14x upon 2, so we can write here 7x into sin minus of minus 4x upon 2, that is minus 2x, whole divided by 2 cos, now 10x upon 2, so 5x into, here what will come here, sin of 4x upon 2, that is 2x. So after that it will come here sin 7x into sin of minus 2x and 2 cos 5x into sin 2x. Now students, here what will come here, minus is here 2 sin 7x into sin of 2x, and here 2 cos 5x into sin 2x. So after that what will come here, this sin 2x cancel with this sin, what is coming here, 2 cos 10x now after this students, sin 2x cancel here, sin 2x, now what is in right hand side, minus sin 2x upon cos 10x, but here minus 2 sin 7x upon cos 5x. So let us check it. Oh, here this is a mistake. So here student, here sin 17x and I have written sin 7x. Here 17x in the question, it is given 17x. So correct it, it is 17x, not 7x. So 17x, formula is same, only we have to write here in the place of 7x, we write here 17x. Here also 17x. Now after that it will change here only in denominator, because by mistake I have written here 7x but here 17x. So it will come 2 cos 17x plus 3x 20x upon 2, that is 10x, into sin of 17 minus 3x, so it will come 14x upon 2, that is sin 7x. So after that you can check here the sin 7x and sin 7x is cancelled, 2 is also cancelled, and what is the value of sin of minus theta? So it will come minus sin theta. So therefore it is coming here minus sin 2x upon cos 10x, and that is right hand side. Hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the solution of question number 16. So students, you can learn from this. Write the question carefully. If you are writing in the place of 7 to 17, that will create the problem. So here 17x was there, so write here 17x, and all the formula and method is same. But whenever you write the question, so write the question carefully. You can learn from this. Now students, come to the question number 17. In question number 17, prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Now students, you know the formula we will apply here. cos d. Now let us start the solution. Take left hand side. What is left hand side? Sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. Now students, we will use the formula here. This one. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? I told you the formula sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d upon 2, and its sin s stand for that sign. If you want to help, so cos will come here. Cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula of sin c plus sin d. That is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Second is cos c plus cos d. It is very simple. Cos is boss, so it will come along. So it will come 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we will use these two formulas here. What will come here? 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into this cos 5x minus 3x by 2. After that, whole divided by cos c plus cos d. So 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. After that, it will come 2 sin 5x plus 3x, 8x upon 2, so it will come 4x into cos of 5x minus 3x, 2x upon 2, so it will come x. After that, 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2, 8x upon 2, so it will come cos 4x, and cos of 5x minus 3x, it will come 2x upon 2, that is x. So you can see here this 2 is cancelled, cos x cancel with cos x. What is coming here? Sin 4x upon cos 4x. And you know that sin 4x upon cos 4x is tan 4x, that is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So this is the solution of question number 17. Now student, 18 question is same. Now after that we will solve the question number 18. 18 is also same. You have to prove that you know the formula of sin A minus sin B, cos A minus cos B. So question number 18 is sin of x minus sin y upon cos of x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y upon 2. Check the question. Question is sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y upon 2. Now students, we will use this left hand side here. So left hand side is sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. And already I have written the formula of cos x plus cos y, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 and cos c minus d by 2. But here sin x minus sin y. So sin c minus sin d we will use here. So what will come here? Sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula of sin c minus sin d. So we will use this formula here. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c and d, c is here x. So x plus y upon 2 into sin c minus d, c is x and d is y. So x minus y by 2 upon cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d upon 2. C is here x and d is y into cos c minus d, c is x minus y by is coming here sin upon cos tan, and what is theta? That is x minus y by 2, and that is equal to right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. The question number 18 is proved. Now we will solve the question number 19. The question number 19 is, now student, question number 19 is same as question number 17, 18. So you can solve the question number 19. Now I am telling you the solution of question number 20th. Question number 19 is for you homework. Now question number 20th is, let us start the solution of question number 20th. Take LHS. What is LHS? That is sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x. So you know that what is, first of all we will change this term. We can write this sin 3x minus sin x, and here also minus is common, so it will become cos square x minus sin square x, and this minus cancel. Now students, you know the formula of cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to cos 2x. We will use these formulas. We know this one, or you can change this formula also if you want to change. Put the value of sin square x, that is 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x, that is cos 2x. I am telling you the proof also. Cos square x in the place of sin square x, 1 minus cos square x. So it will come cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So it will come here 2 cos square x minus 1. After that we can change the value of this 2 cos square x, that is equal to cos 2x. So formula of cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So this is the formula of this. Now second formula is this one we will use here. That is sin c minus sin d. Now sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So we will use these two formulas here. So what will come here? It will come 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d by 2 upon cos 2x. Now after that we can change this term to what is the value of 2 cos 3x plus this x by 2, that will come here. After this I am writing here, it will come 2 cos 3x plus x by 2, 4x upon 2, that is 2x into sin 3x minus x, 2x upon 2, that is x. After that cos 2x. So it will come cos 2x is cancelled with this. So 2 sin x. And you can see here this is right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proof. This is the solution of question number 20th. So thank you students.